Friends, let us have a close look into this Poka Yoke technique. Poka Yoke or Japanese words. In a simple translation, we shall call them as error proofing or mistake proofing. Let us get ahead further. There are two words in it. One word is Poka, the other word is Yokeru. Poka Yoke. Poka Yokeru. Yokeru is to avoid. Is to avoid. Avoiding of what? Inadvertent errors. So, it is avoiding inadvertent errors, which is called as Poka Yoke. By principle, it goes like this. There is a mistake. There is a mistake committed by a particular person in our company. Is it to punish him? No. Is it to blame him? No. Does it mean that we have to give him lot of advice after advice? No. What is supposed to be done? It is on people management. Yes, we have to facilitate him. We have to facilitate that particular operator to avoid such mistakes in future, which is the principle of the basic approach of Poka Yoke. The ultimate goal of Poka Yoke, dealing with defects. Let us try to make defects impossible, or at least very difficult to commit any such mistakes or defects. How? By focusing on the people, by focusing on the equipments whichever is being used for manufacturing, and also to focus on the key processes, and ultimately to take care of those equipments, people and process through proper systems. So the goal of Poka Yoke is to make defects impossible, or at least very difficult to commit, by focusing on people, equipment, process and systems. Lean, the lean manufacturing. Does it have any linkage with Poka Yoke, or Poka Yoke is a part of lean? The answer is yes. Lean tools are many. One of the lean tools would be the mistake proofing called Poka Yoke. Friends, now let us look at the difference between error and defect. The difference between error and defect. With a simple cause and effect diagram, or fishbone diagram, or Ishikawa diagram, or feather diagram, whichever comes here in the causes side may be called as errors. What will be the result of those errors? Result of those causes? Effects. They are nothing but the defects. Generally, Japanese approach would be like this. Whichever is under the causes or errors, whichever is identified as the effect of those causes may be called as defect. Emerging. How the Poka Yoke has emerged. Let us just recall the history. Toyota Motor Company in Japan was known for many such Poka Yokes in the very early stage. He is the gentleman behind the development of Poka Yoke as a technique. His name is Shingo. In 1960s itself, he identified this as a good technique to avoid inadvertent mistakes, errors.